everyone, and welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today we're going to be using the new hand-penned Petals Stamp Set and Designer Series paper. They are really gorgeous. And we're going to make a fun fold card because I love to make fun fold cards. And this fun fold card is not too tricky. So we're going to be using, as I say, the beautiful new hand-pen petaled stamp set. And look at this gorgeous Designer Series paper. Soft colours on this side with patterns. Turn it over. And there's the gorgeous, gorgeous hand-pen florals. Aren't they beautiful? Take a look at this. I actually got this before pre-order ended. I didn't get it in my first pre-order. I got it in a second pre-order because I was seeing it and I was loving it. And it's just stunning. Stunning. So pretty, pretties. Nice, hey? Nice. Okay. So, love paper. Okie dokie. So, today's card. Let's go. We're going to start off with a base, which is going to be mint macaron because it matches with the Designer Series paper. Okay, it is cut at 14.5 centimeters by 20 centimeters, and we're going to score that at 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters, and 15 centimeters. So let's do that. So it's going to be the long way, so the 20 centimeter way. Okay, pop it in the old trusty trimmer, but use the score one, the light grey. So at 5 centimeters we score, 10 centimeters we score, and at 15 centimeters we score. Get over there, you good. Okay, that's the base of the card. Okay, so we're going to get our bone folder and make them nice and crispy edges. Da-da-da-da. Bet you're wondering what's happening here. Like, okay, you have this piece of cardstock. What are you going to do now, Miss Jane? Okay, so we are going to add some panels. So our panels are 3 Designer Series paper panels and 1 Whisper White, which I have actually already done my stamping on. So I have used this little part out of the hand pan, and I have used Pansy patch for the words. So I've stamped in Memento Black and coloured in my little flower with my blends. And for the sentiment, I've stamped in Mint Macaron, which is the matchy colours. Okay, so there are our panels. So we could go ahead and pop them on right now, I think. So they are cut at 4.5 centimetres by 14 centimetres. I've pre-taped these all ready to rock and roll. And whoops, just try and get him in the middle. Okay. Now what's next, Miss Jane? We've done our panels, we've done our base. I've cut a strip, 2 centimetre strip by 14.5. So that's the length of the actual card. Scored at 1 centimetre and taped her up. What's this for? Well, we're going to put this together just like this, and that's going to hold it together so it's like a little box. Ho ho ho! Who'd have thought? So we'll rip one piece off And we're going to turn her over. And we want to butt that up to this edge here. So the folded in the middle bit. Whoops, turn it around for me. There you go. So we can actually make sure that's really snuggy. Now we take this piece off and we just fold over. And that should line up. Fingers crossed, toes crossed, everything crossed, that it's going to line up. And pop it down. And there you go. We have this cylindery, squarey, rectangular piece of card. But what now, Miss Jean? Okay, so our card is going to sit like this, and we're going to put a decoration just here. So strips are done. To do that, I'll show you what the piece is. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? So again, it's been stamped with the hand penned Memento Black and coloured in with our pale papaya, mint macaron, and fresh freesia Stampin' Blends. I have cut the actual circle and the layering circles from the Layering Circles framelit dies. So they're my biggest two. Okay, and then to attach this to the actual card, I've used the smallest, which is around about an inch circle, and I have cut 2 circles and scored them in the middle. Okay, so to get this to go together and to sit on, because you can't just stick it down because then you're not going to be able to fold it out. So we've scored the 2 little circly pieces. Circly's a word. I'm going to get our liquid glue and we're going to attach one side to the card and then the flappy uppy bits, the one side to the picture. Okay. So a little bit of glue. Work out where we're going to want this to sit. Probably in the middle. Now, I didn't put a sentiment on this because it's kind of a big image and then I didn't want to add a little one down there. So I've just got the words on the back where we're actually going to put our, where we can write on the card to whoever we're going to give the card to. So we've got those 2 circles, making sure that they're on there. Then we put some glue on this bit and on this bit. And we're very carefully working out, we're going to put it just on a bit of an angle and straight down. And let's hold it down and give it a little bit of a go to set. And then, can you see there? So you've got that little bit there and a little bit there. So they just, so it sits and that's still flappies open, like so. How cool. Pretty cool. I like this. I've made a few of these. I made an 18th card about 5 years ago. And then I'm gonna need a bling, need a rhinestone, like a rhinestone in the flower. Yes, most definitely needs a rhinestone. Love a bit of bling. And then I've made some I was telling you about what I'd made, and I'd made some Santa Christmassy ones about 2 or 3 years ago. And I just thought, yeah, this is going to work with that beautiful hand-penned paper. And then you've got this spot over here that you can write on. Wishing you a little extra happiness just because you're you. And it fits in a normal envelope. How cool is that? And see, you can just go peekaboo down the middle. Or you can go but maybe not. Okay, I hope you love this card. It's quite cool. I've seen it named a few different things like decorative corner card or a 4-panel card. So you can call it what you like, but I think that's pretty cool. I have changed the measurements to be centimeters for me. Yeah, and they kind of worked. I'm not good at maths, but they kind of work, so that's pretty cool too. I hope you like it. I hope you want to give it a try. And until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye!